Good afternoon. My name is Dia, and today we will be exploring one of the most pressing health challenges of today, that is dementia. And as you can see here, dementia is the loss of cognitive functioning, thinking, remembering, and reasoning to that point that affects person's daily life and activities. Like dementia, the person with dementia will lose their thinking capacity, remembering, and reasoning capacity as well, and brain changes, neurotransmitter imbalance, genetics, vascular contribution, neuroinflammation are the pathophysiology of dementia. The main reason I chose topic dementia is because it is one of the interesting topic to talk about, and not only because of that, I have one personal reflection to share about dementia. And that is like, for a certificate I have to do 3 week of placement in a nursing home in dementia section, and during that period of time I learned so many things about dementia and its effect, cause, how it impact their personal individual life, their family, and many more things about dementia. As you can see here, the impact of dementia, there are in different level: individual level, local level, national level, global level. And in individual level, you can see here the person definitely gonna lose their independency. They're gonna have emotional distress. They're gonna lose their memory. And in local level, there will be increased demand for support service and caregiving resources. And in national level, as you can see here, high healthcare cost and long-term care need, which will definitely gonna impact national economic system as well. And in global level, over 55 million of people are affected with dementia, as you can see here. And now talking about the risk factor, as you can see here, there are two kind of risk factor: modifiable risk factor that can be changed, and not modifiable risk factor that can't be changed. Like physical inactiveness, poor diet, untreated depression can be changed to doing exercises. Healthy diet, we can treat our depression, but non-modifiable risk factor are aging, family history, genetics that we can't change, and the risk of dementia tends to increase while getting older and older. And talking about risk factor, there are prevention strategies as well of dementia. Like we can do healthy lifestyle. We can change our unhealthy lifestyle to healthy lifestyle to reduce being affected by dementia. Like we can do regular exercises, social interaction, and we can do public awareness campaign to educate on the risk reduction of dementia. We can conduct many awareness program so that people will be aware of dementia, its risk factor, its cause, and its impact, so that we can reduce its impact. And if I ever get opportunity to explore about dementia, I will definitely gonna explore about what are the most what are the most effective method for early detection of dementia in primary care setting, because early detection of dementia significantly impact the course of treatment and care. That's the reason. And here are the reference list. Uh, Here are the reference list that I used today for my presentation. And thank you for watching, and I look forward for your feedback. Thank you.